Welcome to Ayoama, a Japanese restaurant located in Lille in the Old City at 70 Rue du Gant. The restaurant proposes a variety of Japanese meals with a personal touch from the chef Florian, who is 100% French, but he spent some time in Japan where he acquired his unique skills. The ambience of the restaurant is quite calm, serene, and familial. It is a great place to dine with your family as you send your taste buds on an intercultural journey. Another interesting feature of Ayoama is that the restaurant owner often hosts cooking workshops so that you too may learn the art of Japanese cooking. Finally, I recommend that you make a reservation online so that you may secure space at Ayoama, Japan in Lille.
I have no idea how to use these. I don't know how to use these. Is it the bigger side? No, I think I'm very cold. I don't know how to use these. Don't you have like regular forks? Hold on, wait, hold on, wait. Okay, got it? Yes. Okay. Okay. Then there's this thing which is, I think, bamboo. Maybe it's bamboo. I think it's maybe bamboo. Seaweed. Then the tofu.
I've been a huge ramen fan for years, and when I learned that ramen equaled Japanese and I watched Naruto, I was super excited to try it. However, based on ramen's nature, it's usually meat-based, but this chef was able to give me a vegan one, a vegan ramen. I also like the broth. It reminded me of soy sauce and miso. I believe the two are a little bit similar. And I must say that the different elements that made up the ramen was simply a combination of flavors that made your taste buds explode. I absolutely liked it. It was quite filling. Finally, I tried something weird, a vegan and gluten-free Coke. I honestly don't know what to think, so yeah.
Cheers. So it's the vegan option, I guess. I don't even know what regular Coca tastes like to even see this is vegan and gluten different. But it's nice. It's refreshing, it's normal. It's all done, it's all done, yes. Even though I was off of using chopsticks, all in all was pretty nice, having a sort of almost authentic Japanese experience. Seeing that the chef was in Japan for a while and learned how to prepare ramen, so it was interesting. But I hoped ideally go to Japan one day and try what this is like from natives, if I may say. So it was, I'm pleased because of my desire to actually try something Japanese. The portion was good, and I'm happy, no complaints, so thumbs up for me. Ciao.
In conclusion, it was a delicious meal. I liked it. It was simple. I didn't even plan to do this video today. I just did it by chance. So, yeah, I like ramen. What can I say? But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And finally, come to Ayoama. I'm sure you won't regret it. Jane!